name is Brittany Bundles, and today is going to be a case unboxing video. I love unboxing phone cases. I recently got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here it is right here. I got this about, I think, a month and a half or 2 months ago. I really enjoy it. Like, I'm loving using this phone. It has not gotten old to me yet. It still looks beautiful. It still acts as it should. I still am in love with the cameras. And yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing these cases. If you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I do want to say before I get the video started that this video is sponsored by a company by the name of, I believe it's pronounced LAMEEKU, or LAMEEKU. I'll go ahead and put the name across the screen. If I am butchering the name, which I may be, I truly apologize. I will also have discount codes below this video. The discount is 20% off. So that is a super discount, 20% off. Anytime you can get anything off of an order or a purchase, especially if it's a purchase that you are interested in, is definitely a benefit in my book. So this is how the order came. It is sent from Amazon. So their store is on Amazon. Really convenient shipping. If you do have Amazon Prime, you can get the cases even sooner. But I am going to be opening the bag with you to let you see what's in it, obviously. And I know a lot of people are interested in the packaging as well. They just want to see how it's going to come when they receive it in the mail. And so this is what it comes in. It just comes in a envelope. And let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside of it. So this is what it looks like when I open up the bag. Let's see. So it does come with a receipt. So I'm going to be unboxing 3 phone cases. This is what it looks like. And then we're going to go ahead and open it so that we can see what all the cases look like. And here is the spelling of the company name as well. So again, I do want to thank this company for sending out the cases. I'm really excited. I have a couple other videos on my channel unboxing phone cases, and I mean, I get excited every time. So this is what the cases are wrapped in. Just says the company name, and it has a date. So what you do is you just slide the case out and then open it. So I do want to say that the cases come nicely wrapped and packaged. A lot of times when you order, especially if you're ordering on, like, I don't even want to say Amazon. It really doesn't matter where you order. A lot of times when you order things, sometimes the items are not packaged. You know, they're kind of just thrown in an envelope and sent to you. So the fact that these cases are really wrapped up and packaged nicely is a bonus in my book. I look for those kind of things. You know, I want to see how everything is going to look, and I just want to make sure the presentation is there as well. When I am looking at different accessories or when I'm shopping online in general. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. So this is what it looks like out of the case. Still wrapped and packaged pretty nicely. This is what the back looks like. I'm going to open it up, put my phone inside of it. And at the end of the video, leave me a comment and let me know which case is your favorite. I really like black cases as well. Typically, I go with a clear case, but if I'm going to, if I have to choose a color, I'll probably choose black or pink. So this is what it looks like on the phone itself. I think that looks really, really cute. You can open the wallet. So here's what the wallet looks like when it's open. You have 2 different slots where you can put your cards. They do open up. And then you also have a pouch for change, which I think is really, really cool. This is my first...
I'm not sure I understand.
Ah. This is my first wallet case. I've never had a wallet case in my life, but I've always been interested in them. So I like how it looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and connect the straps and also the wristlet part so we can see a full look of how this case looks. So there are 2 parts right here where you can attach the strap. This is what it looks like attached. And so if you wanted to, you literally could carry this as kind of like a bag. You really could. You could wear it, you know, just over your shoulder, or you can wear it as a kind of like a crossbody bag. But I think that's really cool. So if you wanted to go shopping, or if you wanted to just rent out the house really quick and you didn't want to take your purse, I remember I did a purse review about a year ago, and the bag that I was reviewing was really, really small, and my phone couldn't fit inside of it. And a lot of people in the comments were like, hey, I love the bag, but I wouldn't get it because my phone can't fit in it. Well, if you did have a case like this, you wouldn't necessarily have to worry about your phone not fitting, because you'd be able to connect your phone and go as well. Sometimes I do get tired of holding my phone in public. You want to keep your phone near you. I have, children, and I also have an online business. So I want to make sure that my phone is always pretty, readily accessible. So if I'm checking emails or if I'm staying on top of orders, I just typically like to have my phone near me. So one of my pet peeves is constantly holding my phone, because I don't want to put it in my pocket. I don't want it to fall out. I don't want to put it in my coat pocket and risk the chance of not hearing it. And sometimes it can't fit in the purse or the bag that I decide to go with. So this is definitely very convenient for me. And I'm sure a lot of you will agree that this is convenient. This is a really cool idea. I never saw a case like this, to be honest. So when the company reached out and sent me pictures of their products, I was super excited to do the review, because I've never seen anything like this. I've seen wallet cases, but not like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wristlet on as well. So if you decide that you don't want to use the strap, you don't have to. I mean, you can wear it just like this. You also can use it with the straps, or you can connect the wristlet and carry it like this. So I do see a lot of people carrying cases like this in public. So, if this is more comfortable to you, if this is something that is more convenient, then by all means, use this. But the real thing that is attracting me to this case right now is how sleek it looks, how many compartments the case has, and also how versatile the case is, because I can wear it 3 different ways if I choose to. So this is case number 1. Remember, at the end of the video, leave me a comment as to which case is your favorite. So let's go ahead and open up the next case. So the next case comes packaged the exact same way. You go ahead and you slide it out first. And then you open it up. The next case is like a pretty green color from what I can see through the wrapping or through the packaging so far. Okay, so this is what this case looks like. This case looks pretty similar. It is a different color. I think this case is actually identical to the black case, just in a different color. Let me see. It is. It's identical. So it does come with the same wristlet, and then also the same strap, but it comes in a different color. I really think this color is pretty. I know a lot of people love this color. I call it green, but every time I call this color green, I get corrected. And they tell me it's a different color other than green, but it looks green to me. I know you may not be able to see the true color because we're on camera. But this is a really nice color as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the phone inside so you can get the full view. I'm not going to put the tassel on this one just because we just did it for the black. So it's the same type of concept. It's literally just a different color. This case is still versatile. Like I showed you a minute ago, you still have different compartments for your cards, even card slots over here. So you actually have more than 2. I believe with the black, I said you just have 2, but you don't. You have 4. You have 2 on this side and then 2 on this side. And then it's also very versatile as well, because you can connect, like I mentioned, the strap as well as the wristlet, whatever works most convenient for you. And then you also can put your change in this pouch as well. So I'm really, really loving these cases. They're really cute, convenient, trendy. I think right now the black is still my favorite, but I don't know if that's going to be the same after I open this case, so we'll see. So I'm going to open the 3rd and last case now. Comes packaged the exact same way. And this case, I think it's a pink or red or orange, just by looking through it. looking through the packaging. I can't really tell, but I'm hoping that it's a pink or red. I'm hoping. I don't hate orange, but orange is not my favorite color. Oh, it's pink. Okay. So I already know which case is going to be my favorite. And I'm sure if you've watched my other unboxing videos, then at this point you probably know which case is my favorite as well. So this case, oh my gosh. I hope I'm getting close enough for you all to see the color. It's so beautiful. Now this case looks different than the black and also the green case. I think they're the same, honestly. They're the same. Let me open it up and see. Yeah, they're the same, except it's pink. Like, look at the inside of this case. The pink and black, or the green and black case, didn't have colored insides like this, but the pink one is colored inside. Remember, I just said I hope this case is pink or red, and it's pink on the outside and red on the inside. So this is my favorite case so far. I am going to put the strap on this one just because, I mean, I can't resist myself. So this comes with the strap as well as the wristlet as well. And of course, I'm going to try this case on the phone. I have to. I'm probably going to wear this case today. Even though the black probably matches better with what I have on, the pink is still my favorite. And sometimes I don't care about matching, to be honest. So, let me go ahead and clear my screen. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's not just a regular pink or a flat pink either. Like, I hope that the camera is doing this justice. I really hope that you can see the color. It's so pretty. The detail is gold. That's pretty to me too. And I literally can see myself wearing this out. Like I said, you can wear it as a crossbody or you can wear it over your shoulder. You know, you can also wear the wristlet. But I was going to see if the strap is long enough for me to take pictures, and it is. So say I wanted to take a picture really quick. I know you're not supposed to take pictures like this, but even if I wanted to take a picture like this, I still can. I don't have to remove my phone every time. If you do have your AirPods connected, then you don't even have to remove your phone off your shoulder to answer a call. So I think it's really convenient. You can still have your phone right on you. You can still look very stylish. I mean, this case looks really cute. I'm sure you're going to get lots of compliments because, you know, like I said, I've never seen this case in action. I've never seen it in real life. The first time that I saw a case like this with the straps and also the wallet on the back was when the company contacted me. So I do want to thank this company. I'll go ahead and put it across the screen. I think the correct pronunciation is LAMEEKU. If it's not, again, I apologize. I do want to thank them so much for sponsoring this video. I do want to thank you all for watching. Again, there is going to be a link or a, I'll put a link to the store down below as well as a discount code for 20%. So if you are interested in any of these cases, be sure to check out the link and also use the discount code. Remember, please let me know which one is your favorite. I know you already are thinking, okay, I either like the black, I like the green, or I like the pink. You have to have one that you like out of the, you have to have a favorite. You have to have one that just catches your eye more than the other. So let me know which one it is. Black, we'll call this green. I don't know if it's, maybe it's mint. We'll call this green or mint, black, and of course pink. So let me know which one catches your eye. Again, like I said, I love the pink. My next favorite would probably be the black. And then the mint isn't ugly. It's the same as the other cases. So it's not like, you know, I hate the mint. It's just, I love pink and black. So these would be my two cases. So I really hope that you all enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget about the links or the discount code. Let me know which one is your favorite. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.